This video lesson is going to show you how to take a sprite and then change the costume to something that maybe you find on Google Images or somewhere on the internet, and then instead of having to replace the sprite and replace the coding, you can just replace the costume and then it still exists within your game. It's much easier to do this, and the reason I typically start off this way is so that I can just get the coding finished, and then I can go back if I want to put something else there. Then I can just change the costume, but the script doesn't change. So what I'm gonna do, maybe I'll just I'll look up my name here. And here's my, let's see if I can save image. All this other stuff is, it's like my college water polo profile. Playground. So I'm going to put this into this folder, and actually I'm going to create a new folder. Call this Scratch. So now I'm in that Scratch folder. I'll just call this, let's give it my name, save, and then if I go back to Scratch, so what I can do, this is sprite 1, I can either change this costume, so maybe I'll just do that. So clear. So get rid of that one and then import. Might take a few seconds here. Okay. And then I can erase. It's in vector mode, so that's what I want. And so let's go back to bitmap. So I'm back in bitmap. I don't know, there we go. I can start erasing this stuff around the edge of me. I can use my magic wand. Let's see if that works. Just trying to remove the background. I don't know if it's going to work real well because some of the colors are similar, but let's see. No. That's my hair. Problem is that sunlight on the side of my head makes my hair look white, so it's not picking up real well. And the reason I'm doing this is it can save time just from erasing. And okay, I'll just keep that for now. So if I click over to the eraser, it gets rid of all that stuff around my head, and then just kind of go in here in detail and change this part. So if I just wanted like my face, I'm gonna erase that out, and I'm just doing this real quick. I erased a little bit too much of my face there, but that's okay for now. If you wanted to be really detailed, you could zoom in and get in there and erase certain parts of this. Also, whoops, click back. Alright, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And the script's still the same. So I think if, and I'm going to turn the sound off because I have music in the background and I don't want that to play over the speaker because it's going to sound crazy. Let's see what happens here. So I hit the green flag. 3, 2, 1. And now, instead of a cat, it is my face chasing around with stuff on the screen. And you could do that with any of these sprites here. You could also do this with your backgrounds. So you can change the backdrop same way, just by going into backdrops, and when it loads, and basically doing the same thing. So there's an import tool here and being able to go in and change the background maybe to some